A cycle of hope and betrayal for decades, India has reached out to Pakistan, seeking peace through dialogue, summits, and ceasefires. But each time, Pakistan has betrayed these gestures, from the bloody Kargil war to devastating terrorist attacks like Mumbai, Uri, and Pulwama. Despite India's continuous attempts to normalize relations, Pakistan has repeatedly undermined peace efforts with violence and aggression. Every hope of reconciliation has been shattered, leaving the region stuck in a cycle of trust broken and hostility renewed. India's call for peace has been met with Pakistan's backstabbing actions, fueling an unending conflict. Greetings to all, and welcome to Universal Group of Institutions, Bengaluru, an institution that is a pioneer in offering degree programs alongside civil services coaching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so for valuable insights on civil services examinations, diplomacy, and security-related topics. Let us explore the key events of the last 25 years. The pattern of fleeting moments of hope followed by betrayal and escalation remains undeniable. 1999 Kargil War event. Pakistani soldiers and militants infiltrated Indian positions in Kargil district. India's response launched Operation Vijay to reclaim occupied territories. Outcome: India regained control. International diplomatic pressure led to Pakistani withdrawal. The Times of India. 2001 Indian Parliament attack event. 5 terrorists attacked the Indian Parliament, killing 9 people. India's response initiated Operation Parakram, a massive troop mobilization along the border. Outcome: standoff lasted 10 months. Diplomatic engagements reduced tensions. 2003 ceasefire agreement event. Both nations agreed to a ceasefire along the line of control (LOC). Outcome: significant reduction in cross-border hostilities, paved the way for dialogue. 2004 to 2008 Composite Dialogue Process event initiated talks covering all bilateral issues, including Kashmir. Outcome: progress in trade and people-to-people contacts, disrupted by subsequent events. Reuters. 2008 Mumbai attacks event. 10 terrorists carried out coordinated attacks in Mumbai, killing 166 people. India's response: suspended dialogue, increased international pressure on Pakistan to act against perpetrators. Outcome: strained relations, global condemnation of Pakistan-based terror groups. 2016 Uri attack and surgical strikes event. Terrorists attacked an Indian army base in Uri, killing 19 soldiers. India's response: conducted surgical strikes across the LOC targeting terror launch pads. Outcome: demonstrated a shift in India's counter-terrorism strategy. 2019 Pulwama attack and Balakot air strikes event. A suicide bomber killed 40 CRPF personnel in Pulwama. India's response: air strikes on Jaish-e-Mohammed training camps in Balakot, Pakistan.
वो चाहे जितना छिपने की कोशिश करें, उन्हें सजा जरूर दी जाएगी.
Outcome: escalated tensions, aerial engagements ensued, international calls for restraint. 2019 revocation of Article 370 event. India revoked Jammu and Kashmir's special status.
राष्ट्रपति संसद की सिफारिश पर ये घोषित दिन भारत के राष्ट्रपति द्वारा इस घोषणा पर हस्ताक्षर किए जाएंगे और इसे सरकारी गैजेट में प्रकाशित अनुच्छेद 370 के सभी खंड लागू नहीं होंगे, सिवाय खंड 1 के नामक तदनुसार पढ़ा जाएगा.
Pakistan's response: downgraded diplomatic ties, suspended trade relations. Outcome: increased bilateral tensions, international reactions vary. 2021 renewed ceasefire agreement event. Reaffirmation of the 2003 ceasefire along the LOC. Outcome: temporary reduction in cross-border firing, cautious optimism for dialogue. 2025 Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor event. On 22nd April, terrorists attacked tourists in Pahalgam, killing 26 civilians. India's response launched Operation Sindoor on 7th May, conducting missile strikes on 9 sites in Pakistan. Pakistan's response retaliated with air strikes. Both sides reported casualties. Outcome marked the most severe escalation since the Kargil War. International community urged de-escalation. Conclusion: India's resilience and resolve. With each betrayal, India has responded with unwavering resolve, not merely defending itself but delivering a powerful message that aggression will have consequences. From the surgical strikes in Uri to the Balakot airstrike, and even the bold Operation Sindhu, India has shed its past restraint. The old India might have waited for a diplomatic solution, but this is the new India, a nation willing to act decisively, inflicting a cost that Pakistan can no longer ignore. Through military action, diplomatic pressure, and global advocacy, India has shown that peace will never come at the cost of security. The message is clear: the world will no longer tolerate Pakistan's aggression, and India will respond swiftly and forcefully. ये नया हिंदुस्तान है. ये घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी. Don't forget to like and share the video and press the bell icon to stay updated. Jai Hind.